In this video, I'll be showing you how to move Fortnite to another drive. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're playing Fortnite on. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly, make sure you have Epic Games Launcher open. Now, when you go ahead and do that, you're going to see all your different games. So from here, all you got to go ahead and do is while it's open, press Windows key and E, which is going to open up your file explorer. Then navigate to the installation directory path for Fortnite. So in my instance, it's going to be local disk C. And then all you want to do is go over to program files, find Epic Games. So go ahead and click on that. And then obviously it's going to be Fortnite. So now all I want to do is right click on the Fortnite folder and copy it, or just go ahead and press Control and C. Then I want to go ahead and open up the partition drive for wherever I want it. So let's say I want it in my D drive. All I would have to go ahead and do is paste it over here. Now, what you got to do is change it, the name of it. So once I paste it, change it to Fortnite-temp. Now, what you want to do is once it's in the new folder, open up the Epic Games Launcher. And then all I'm going to do is locate Fortnite. Now, once it's located, all you're going to do is go ahead and press these three little dots and then go ahead and click uninstall. But don't worry, it's not actually going to uninstall. So once it is uninstalled, or it says it's uninstalled, click the Fortnite thumbnail tile again to install it fresh. And then when the location prompt box slide opens, click browse and choose your new target drive path location. So in my instance, it would have been the D drive. Then click install. And as soon as the download begins, navigate straight to the launcher's download tab and click the pause button immediately. Then completely close the Epic Games Launcher and then just check if it's open in the background as well, but you want to make sure it's completely closed. Then head back to the new driver folder path and then right click your Fortnite temp file and then rename it and then just switch it back to just saying Fortnite again. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Then it should work.